Is Samsung on the verge of revolutionizing foldable phones once again? It seems that we might be closer than ever to seeing their next big leap. Recent reports suggest that the company is gearing up for the mass production of their highly anticipated foldable models. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, possibly as soon as next month. These two flagship devices are expected to be officially revealed in July 2025, and this year, Samsung could be introducing something new to the foldable lineup, a more affordable option, possibly called the Galaxy Z Flip FE. A recent report out of South Korea has shed light on some key developments. Samsung Display, the division responsible for producing the foldable OLED panels for Samsung's devices, is already in the process of manufacturing screens for both the Fold 7 and Flip 7. These panels will soon be shipped to Samsung Electronics, where full-scale production of the phones is expected to kick off in May. Interestingly, much of this production takes place in Vietnam, where both Samsung Display and Samsung Electronics have significant facilities. This is where most of Samsung's devices, including the Galaxy series, are assembled before being shipped to markets worldwide, including the United States. This timeline aligns with Samsung's usual release schedule. The company typically holds its highly anticipated Unpacked event in July, where it unveils its latest devices. Fans are eagerly waiting for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, which are expected to come with major performance improvements, software enhancements, and perhaps some design tweaks. While we don't have concrete details yet, there's speculation that these models could feature slimmer bodies, upgraded cameras, and better battery life, offering an even more refined foldable experience. One of the most intriguing possibilities this year is the rumored Galaxy Z Flip FE. This would be a more affordable version of the Flip model, targeted at those who want to experience the foldable form factor without paying flagship-level prices. However, Samsung might not launch the Flip FE at the same time as the Fold 7 and Flip 7. Instead, it's likely they'll wait until later in the year, perhaps in October or November, to allow the Fold 7 and Flip 7 to stand out without the distraction of a budget model competing for attention. This strategic approach makes sense. Releasing the Flip FE alongside the Flip 7 could potentially steal sales from the flagship device, so giving each phone its own time in the spotlight would allow Samsung to maximize the impact of each release. It's a smart move to give consumers more time to focus on the high-end models before introducing a more affordable option. Additionally, there's another foldable device that has caught people's attention, a Trafold phone that Samsung has reportedly been developing for some time. This model would fold in multiple places, allowing users to enjoy a much larger screen while still keeping the device compact enough to fit in a pocket. While it's unclear whether this Trifold phone will make its debut in 2025 or if Samsung will wait a bit longer to refine the technology, it's an exciting glimpse into the future of foldable devices. For now, all eyes are on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and potentially the Galaxy Z Flip FE. If Samsung sticks to its plan, we could see these devices hitting the market in just a few months. Foldable phones have gained significant popularity over the past few years, and Samsung continues to lead the charge in this space. While other companies like Google and Motorola have entered the foldable market, Samsung's experience and production capabilities give it a substantial edge. If you're eager to stay up to date with all the latest news, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.